Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel again. It's a long due, this eye makeup. It's a purple, deep purple smoky eye and little bit of hint of glitter. As usual, you guys know I have to have glitter. So without further ado, if you like this look, keep on watching. Hi guys, I just did my makeup routine off the camera today, but contouring part I kept for you guys. When I'm doing the eyeshadow, you guys can see where I put my contouring zone, and the brighter part what I'm doing, I'm gonna do it in the camera. And this is the shadow shield. Today I'm gonna do I usually don't use this, but I just feel like doing a very sharp line today, so that's why I have this one. I'm using MAC C3 just for my brighter area. So now you see this is my brighter zone, this is my contour zone, but I'm not gonna keep for a long time my powder because I have a very dry skin. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it out within few minutes. In between when I'm doing the eye makeup, I will go back and dust off my powders. And for my eyebrow, I have used this pencil from NYX, this one. This is an amazing pencil. So now this is, at this point, this is my favorite one. I used it. It says this one is so sharp and it really separates your eyebrow hair and make it a very nice line. So we're gonna use the soft ochre as for the makeup eyeshadow base. So guys, I'm already baked, so as I said, I don't keep it for too long. I'm gonna clean it up with Morphe R3 brush. Just take, first I'm gonna do the brighter part, the lighter color powder I put in my face. And then I'm gonna blend the contour zone. So I'm blending this nose contouring with the MAC brush, like a toothbrush. You can do it with any softer brush because you already have foundation, so you don't want to really use a harsh brush. You don't want to make a line. We're not blend it well, but I just wanted to get rid of my dust powder, so ignore that unevenness on the face. Let's focus, because I don't want that my soft ochre dry too fast. So let's focus on the eyeshadow. Then for the face, when I do the bronzing, blush on, we will blend it more. Okay. So I will be using few new palettes, for me the new, and like 3-4 palette for this look. First I'm using the Transaction Color from a palette which is JACLYN Hill collaboration with Morphe, this one, and taking from second line 1, 2, 3, 4th color. Taking the brush M421 from Morphe, I am gonna like slightly highlight my underneath my eyebrows to brighten up my arch. Now I'm taking the another color from Galaxy Chic from BH Cosmetics new palette, and I'm taking the color called Cosmic. I'm taking Morphe M167 brush, and from another palette from BH Cosmetics Solar Flare, I'll be using the color called Goma Ray. I'm gonna blend my all eyeshadow with R39 brush from Morphe, and then I'm gonna cut the crease to make a halo makeup. I'm doing my teardrop with nylon. It's from MAC Cosmetics, called nylon. This one for my teardrop. Guys, this is a very tricky part. I might show my mirror, but can't help it. You have to have this because you have to have balance for this. So I have done this eye for you guys. Today no eyeliner, but I used a purple color eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, just to create this eyeliner. I'm going to deepen it up, but now copying this one, so I'm going to create my crease with Shape Tarte. But always remember, I have hoodie eyes, and if you by any chance if you have a hoodie eye like me, so keep your eyes open and see the crease coming up. From here you cut it. Go very slow. Try first to establish your line, then deepen it up. So I'm gonna take the glue just to put the glitter on the top. It's a liquid glue. You can use NYX this one also, the NYX primer glue, and using again a very small lip brush and making it wet and taking the glitter and putting it. Don't go above your guideline, just stay with your guideline. Looks good. And now I'm gonna define it a little bit with a silver liquid eyeliner gel. I'm gonna wait few seconds just to dry it up a little bit so that it looks really solid silver. I'm using MAC Cosmetics the mascara primer, because this is actually saves your lashes. It doesn't, keep the moisture. When you remove it, helps not to lose your lashes. So I like NYX company's primer, lash primer. That's also very good. I can't find it today. I usually like better than this, but always I use that. It's good for my lashes, and you guys should use this. This is good stuff. Now, as far as the mascara, I'm going to use this Maybelline. For my inner line, I'm going to use today the white eyeliner pencil. I don't use much white because my eyes are not bad. I cannot say super big, but moderate size. But today, sometimes I just feel like doing stuff, and I thought it will look a little more brighter. So guys, now I'm going to do my lower line, sorry, with Morphe 515 brush. It's a pencil brush, very sharp, very small, and using the same color on my outer corner, which was the name of the color was Gamma Ray, I believe, Gamma, oh whatever. I'm just gonna show this one, and the palette is this one. So I'm gonna take the purple and put it on my lower lash line. Okay, tell me when we do the mascara and do something in the lower line of eye, why we do like this? Why? Can you guys tell me? Why do we make that funny face? I have no clue. I try not to make, but unconsciously it makes that shape of my face. I think everybody. See? Right, look. How funny it looks. Okay, now I'm putting some glitter on the inner corner of my eyes. Again, 2 coat, but 1 coat is not enough. It's never enough for me. Bling, bling, bling. And for blushing, I have used NYX, my favorite blushing, and it's called Intuition. So I already applied it. I just want to show you like this. Okay. And then my bronzer. So for bronzer, I am gonna use Laura Mercier. I'm gonna take with my ring finger. And how about my nail decoration? Since I pray namaz, I cannot put nail polish, but time to time for video I will. But for my lip, I will be using NYX Coca, and then I'm gonna use today the MAC purple lipstick. For lipstick, I choose from MAC Heroine, and my lip pencil I already mentioned. Okay guys, I am never satisfied when I apply direct from the lipstick from my lip. I don't know why. I mean, it's just me. I always like to take it from my brush. Anyway, this beautiful brush just complement my lipstick. Look at that. Look at that. It's from Tarte. It's one of my very favorite brush. So I'm gonna take the lipstick in my brush like so. See, and that makes me feel so good when I apply it. So I just put my eyelashes, and today I'm using the Huda Lashes Starlet number 7 here. And now I'm gonna spray my makeup setting spray from Grad Cosmetics Clay. You know that I love this. And wait few seconds to dry it up. Thank you my glamorous viewers for watching this interesting look. I'm sure you guys enjoyed it because I really loved making this look. Glitter, smoky, these are my favorite looks. Anyway, if you guys want me to create any specific look, any requests, please don't forget to pass that comment below, and please share this video with your friends and family. And if you like it, of course, please give me a thumbs up. And until my next video, stay glamorous, and I love you all. Stay well. Bye.